And we are at the top of the bell tower. Quite a fantastic view if it wasn't raining. Well, I can warmly recommend it. 2 lifts and then you're up here, so there's even a staircase further up, but it's closed off. But you can get much further up. But it is a fantastic view. It doesn't really translate on the camera, but at least you can get an idea of it. I just wish there were stairs up and down, because lifts are not my strong forte, but we got up here and we are going down again. There's even pictures from around the city, from the things you can see in each direction. So yeah, it's a warm recommendation. Over on this station is right there. Going to see something special. It's on a train station, yeah. What can it be? Let's head over there and find out.